Hello, my name is Paul and this is Missy, and together our channel is Posture Pilates. So today I'm going to guide you through the Mermaid on the short box. As always, I will offer you a beginner, intermediate level, followed by an advanced. Please note, these videos are a guide. You may have learnt these exercises with a slightly different modification, variation, or breathing. My specific version has been developed over time from teaching different abilities, shapes, and ages. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider subscribing. It's free of charge, it doesn't cost you anything, and it helps us to grow the channel. Also, if you have any exercises that you would like me to cover, please leave a comment down below. Thank you for listening and enjoy. Start seated slightly back on the short box facing the side. The foot bar leg is laterally rotated with the foot flexed under the foot strap. The top leg is also laterally rotated with a flexed knee. Both sides of the pelvis are planted into the box. Inhale, place your headrest hand onto your abdomen, engaging the core muscles, and float the foot bar arm laterally. Keeping both sides of the waist long, exhale and laterally flex to the side, simultaneously turning the foot bar leg to parallel, lifting the hip off the box whilst pulling upwards on the strap. Think of creating a straight line from your fingers to your toes. Inhale, return the body to vertical, returning the foot bar leg to lateral rotation and replant the hips. Windmill change the arms overhead. Exhale, laterally flex the spine towards the foot bar. Let's now perform the exercise up to speed. Inhale, float the arm overhead. Exhale, laterally flex, lifting the hip. Inhale, bring yourself to vertical, windmill changing the arms. Exhale, laterally flex towards the foot bar. To increase the challenge, we laterally flex the spine over towards the floor. Watch the body doesn't sway forwards or backwards. Think of being caught between two panes of glass. To increase the lateral flexion, on the final repetition, take hold of the foot bar and draw yourself towards it. Moving to hawk, inhale, float the arm up. Exhale, laterally flex. Inhale, rotate the chest down towards the floor, floating the arms out to the side with a slight flex through the elbow. Please note, I have chosen to keep the thoracic spine and head in line, as opposed to the standard flexed forward. Exhale, return yourself back to the lateral flexion with the arm coming overhead. Bring yourself to vertical and inhale, windmill change the arms. Exhale, laterally flex over towards the foot bar. Let's perform it up to speed. Inhale, float the arm up. Exhale, laterally flex. Inhale, rotate the chest down. Exhale, return to the side. Return to vertical. Inhale, windmill change the arms. Exhale, laterally flex over to the foot bar. To increase the challenge, flex the thoracic spine forward, allowing the arms to lower. Lift the spine and the head back to neutral, floating the arms back to shoulder height. Inhale, float the arm. Exhale, laterally flex. Inhale, rotate. Exhale, flex forward. Inhale, lift. Exhale, return yourself to the center and bring yourself vertical. Inhale, windmill change. Exhale, draw yourself towards the bar. Inhale, float the arm up. Exhale, laterally flex, placing the elbow onto the headrest. Inhale, float the hand up towards the ceiling, letting your eye line follow the hand. Open the chest towards the sky, keeping the eye line upwards. Inhale, bring the fingertips up towards the ceiling, returning the eye line to the front. Exhale, press the fingertips up towards the sky without pushing down into the headrest. Return yourself to vertical and windmill change the arms before exhaling over towards the foot bar. Let's perform this up to speed. Inhale, float the arm. Exhale, lateral flexion. Inhale, float the arm. Exhale, rotate. Inhale, return. Exhale, press yourself up. Inhale, windmill. Exhale, lateral flexion. To increase the challenge, release the underneath arm out to shoulder height. This requires a large amount of core support. Do not attempt it until you have mastered the other level. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. One long exhale to release. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's combine all of the exercises on the other side. Inhale, float the arm overhead. Exhale, laterally flex, lifting the hip. Inhale, bring yourself to vertical, windmill changing the arms. Exhale, laterally flex towards the foot bar. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. To increase the lateral flexion, on the final repetition, take hold of the foot bar and draw yourself towards it. Moving on to hawk. Inhale, float the arm up. Exhale, laterally flex. Inhale, rotate the chest down. Exhale, return to the side. Return to vertical. Inhale, windmill change the arms. Exhale, laterally flex over to the foot bar. Inhale, float the arm. Exhale, laterally flex. Inhale, rotate. Exhale, flex forward. Inhale, lift. Exhale, return yourself to the center and bring yourself vertical. Inhale, windmill change. Exhale, draw yourself towards the bar. Moving on to open chest. Inhale, float the arm. Exhale, lateral flexion. Inhale, float the arm. Exhale, rotate. Inhale, return. Exhale, press yourself up. Inhale, windmill. Exhale, lateral flexion. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. One long exhale to release. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And finally, draw yourself towards the foot bar. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider liking, subscribing, and ringing the bell to be notified of future video releases.